My name is Michael Ward. This is the development update for my ARPG project. The first thing I want to do before jumping into the update portion of this video is to talk about some of the goals of the project. The biggest goal of the project right now is to create a more technologically focused piece for my portfolio, and also the second goal is to have in my back pocket a pre-built skeletal structure of an ARPG. So this means that if I want to do an ARPG project in the future, I'm not having to spend a couple weeks on getting all of this sorted. I already have it sorted. I can just pull this over here and just change what is needed. Okay, so let's just jump into the project. So what you see here is just a player character that just moves, relatively simple. I think I showed this off last week, but if you go over here, we now spawn an item here. And if we look at the item, we can see the item we've generated, which is a thick leather hood of the Swift. So if you pick this up, we now have a helmet. Right, that's pretty simple on the visual side, and on the technical side, we first start by sorting each stat into its own appropriate section, and then after we've got that done, we're able to do the quick equip process, which currently only works with damage values, and just simply goes through, adds them all together, and then adds that value to the total damage number, which is a stat that the player character holds. By increasing this, we're increasing this is a additive increase on like a percent value. So if you have something that says 50 damage, it's actually 50% increased damage, which works out to obviously go from the current firearm is 15 damage, so it's about 7.5. I think it truncates to about 7, so that's 22 damage as opposed to 15. So that's how it scales. So that has been all I've done this week. The goals for next week are pretty simple, which is to expand this to affect all the players' stats, and also have a damage dummy that whenever I enter a radius, it will damage the player by a set amount, so I can test things out like health regen and life. My name has been Michael Ward, and that has been the development update for this ARPG project. Thank you for watching.